We're at our new listing here. Beautiful new Hanover Township, Gilbertsville, Pennsylvania, Montgomery County. Now this house has access road. It's for emergencies, but the HOA covers it. They can use it. Your kids can ride your bikes here. You can play on here. You can throw the ball, kick the ball, whatever you want to do. Now, just up the street, a little further, is its own little park. And if you look closely, you can see the top, the red top of the playground. All right, so whether you're a fan of doing laundry or not, it has to be done. But how handy is this second floor laundry space, laundry room with shelving, a place to actually hang stuff? Who likes the head? All right, so we're in the master bathroom. You've got your own separate shower space. Now check out how cool this is with his and hers separate sinks. Or if it's like in my house, it's hers and hers. Wish the snow was melted, but check out our beautiful new listing. Even with the snow, it's got everything you need. All right, I wasn't kidding. 4 houses down from our newest listing, can you see it back there, is Hunter's Run Park. I'm zooming in to see if you can see it. Look, I know you take my word on it, but look at this awesome trail. Takes you right back there. And if you don't believe me, ask the dishes, if you know what that's from. There it is there. You can see the red. Anyway, you're going to enjoy a beautiful neighborhood, a beautiful school district, beautiful private park,